School Freeware's Excel 2010 Tutorials. Tutorial 7. Multiple Worksheets. This tutorial will build upon the workbook made within Tutorial 6. The Tutorial 6 workbook can be downloaded for free at schoolfreeware.com. This is the worksheet that was made within Tutorial 6. It deals with the first quarter sales of 2011. Now let's say I also want to have the second quarter sales, the third quarter sales, the fourth quarter sales, and then find out the fiscal year sales of 2011. So what I would like to do is take the quarter one sales, since it's already formatted, use it as a master for other worksheets, and then build upon that in a new workbook. So what I'm going to do is go to File, and I'm going to save this as Tutorial 7 workbook. So now we have a new workbook based upon the Tutorial 6 worksheet. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right mouse click where it says Sheet 1, click on Move or Copy. I'll click on Create a Copy, click OK, and now I have Sheet 1, 2. I'm going to double click on Sheet 1, 2, and I'm going to call this Master. What I'm going to do now is highlight B3 through E8. Hit delete on the keyboard, the numbers go away, the formatting does not, and also these calculations are still here, waiting for the numbers to be placed within the worksheet. I'll also remove this title. And now we have a nice master sheet in which we'll use as a template for the other sheets. Since I already have 2011 Q1 sales done, what I'm going to do is double click on Sheet 1 and type in 2011 Q1 sales. So I know immediately what this sheet is. I'll right mouse click on Sheet 2. I'm going to delete Sheet 2, right mouse click on Sheet 3, delete Sheet 3, and I'm all set now to put in the quarter to sales figures. So I'll right mouse click on Master, and I'll go to Move or Copy. I'll select Move to End, create a copy, click OK, double click on Master 2, change the name 2011 Q2 sales, add the title 2011 Q2 sales, and I can start punching in numbers. And immediately you see that the worksheet comes alive and the numbers are being calculated as I put them in. I'm going to highlight these numbers and delete them because I have the numbers I'm going to use on another workbook. So I'll go to that workbook here, and these are the numbers for quarter 2. You can pause the video if you want to, so you can add these numbers at this time. I'm going to highlight these numbers, and I'll hit Control C on the keyboard for copy. Go to Tutorial 7, make sure the B3 is active, Control V on the keyboard, and when I click off, I lose my formatting, and I also lose my borders. So that's not what I wanted to do, but I see here I have paste options. So I'll just click on paste options, and I'll select paste values here. Click OK, and now my formatting comes back exactly as I want, and very quickly quarter 2 is done. So let's work on quarter 3. Go to Master, right mouse click, Move or Copy, Move to End, create a copy, click OK. Double click on Master 2, change the name, 2011 Q3 sales. Click on the title, 2011 Q3 sales. You can either punch in the numbers, but in this case, I'll just go to the worksheet where I have these numbers. Control C, go back to quarter 7, and here I'll just right mouse click, and I'll just go to Values under Paste Options, and that does the same thing as Control V, and then going to the Paste Options here, quarter 3 sales is done. Go back to Master, right mouse click, Move or Copy, Move to End, create a copy, click OK, double click on Master 2, 2011 Q4 sales. Title, 2011 Q4 sales. Enter in the numbers. In my case, I'll just go ahead and copy and paste. Right mouse click, copy. Right mouse click, paste values, and I'm done. Alright, now for the fiscal year. Right mouse click on Master, move or copy, move to end, create a copy, click OK. Double click on Master 2, 2011 FY sales. 2011 FY sales. Now there are several ways of doing calculations, functions, formulas between multiple worksheets. So first of all, let's try the simple way. Go ahead, hit equal, click on Q1 sales, select cell B3, plus, click on Q2 sales, cell B3, plus, Q3 sales, cell B3, plus, Q4 sales, cell B3, hit enter, and there's a calculation, autofill over, but notice here that my border disappears, so what I'm going to do is change the autofill options to fill without formatting, and now my border comes back. Highlight again, autofill down, select the autofill options, fill without formatting, and here the calculations are done. Let's go take a look at some other ways using the auto sum. I'll highlight and delete. I'll go to the auto sum, click on Q1 sales, cell B3, comma, Q2 sales, cell B3, comma, Q3 sales, cell B3, comma, Q4 sales, cell B3, and then enter. Autofill over, fill without formatting, autofill down, again, fill without formatting. However, using the auto sum with commas would be very tedious if I had 100 worksheets to calculate. So let's try a different way. I'm going to highlight these cells, delete, go to the auto sum, then I'll go click on worksheet Q1, hold down the shift key, click on worksheet Q4, then select cell B3, and simply hit enter. Autofill over, fill without formatting, autofill down, fill without formatting.